The correct height for a toilet flange relative to the finished floor is flush with the finished floor or up to 1/4 inch above it. A flange set at this height ensures the wax ring compresses correctly and the toilet sits flat without stressing the bolts or trap. If your finished floor will raise the surface, for example with tile, install the flange on top of the finished floor or use a flange extender to maintain that flush or slightly above position. When replacing or reinstalling a toilet, measure from the finished floor to the top of the flange and plan for the wax ring thickness. You intend to use a standard wax ring is fine for most applications, but for a raised flange, consider a thicker wax ring or a wax-free twist and seal option. If the flange ends up too low, cut a thin plywood or composite shim ring and secure the flange, or better yet, use a flange extender kit that bolts to the existing flange and provides a continuous solid surface for sealing. Always confirm the flange is level and securely fastened to the subfloor and that the drain pipe alignment does not force the flange off plane. Before final installation, dry run the toilet to check for rocking and measure the gap under the bowl rim. Any gap can indicate the flange height needs adjustment. Common mistakes include setting the flange below the finished floor, which leads to crushed wax rings and leaks. And the fix is to raise the flange with an extender or reinstall the flange on top of the finished floor. Another frequent issue is assuming any wax ring will work when the floor height changed. Use a thicker ring or a wax-free seal designed for larger gaps to avoid compression failure. A third mistake is not securing and leveling the flange, which causes rocking and seal failure. Remove the flange, repair or replace rotten subfloor if present. Then fasten the flange with proper screws and confirm level before sealing. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and help contractors find work by connecting people through project listings and local search. We also host a discussion community where we share advice, photos, and real-world tips about installations like flange placement so everyone can learn from each other.